On 25th May 2020, George Floyd, a black man, was killed by a police officer while in custody. In response, protests sprung up across the US to perceptions of systematic racism. Sadly, the protests brought with them riots. Many cities were ravaged in these riots, but today we will look at the area where Floyd died, Minneapolis, particularly the St. Paul area. The riots have damaged 1,500 properties and 400 businesses, with an estimated minimum cost of $500 million. This is tragic as the St. Paul area is the second largest medical device manufacture center in North America, the fourth largest finance hub in America, the second largest economy in the Midwest, and was the 13th largest metropolitan economy in the US back in 2016. Before the riots, its GDP was $263 million. Now the cost of damage as a percentage of the economy is 0.19%, which I personally think is quite significant, but others may see it as quite small. But these losses are just the tip of the iceberg. Many have claimed that insurance would cover this, but when builders gave a $140,000 bill for repairs, small business owners were shocked since most insurance covered $25,000 to $50,000. A councilwoman said this was capitalism run amok, but it might have been government regulations. Anyway, insurance has a limit, so many owners can't afford the repairs and will be unable to reopen, inducing a negative multiplier effect of layoffs and less consumption in the economy. Plus, 44% of small businesses are uninsured. People think businesses are extremely wealthy, but one entrepreneur said he is the last one to get paid. This is true, since most businesses are unprofitable until the third year, but they still have to pay the employees. Furthermore, the rioting would make businesses leave the area, such as 7 Sigma, who took 50 jobs from Minneapolis, since the looting and burning would make business ventures riskier. This leads to a knock-on effect of less job creation and economic opportunity. And the rioting increased insurance rates in the area, increasing the cost of doing business, so less businesses will be started. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like and comment, as it really helps my video in the YouTube algorithm. And if you like economics and political commentary, consider subscribing. Maybe follow me on my Twitter, and see you later.